Okay, today I'm going to take this old paint roller handle and attach it to the paintbrush to make an extension to reach high places while I'm painting on the outside of the house.
Woo!
So I'm going to simply remove the old metal roller frame from the plastic handle by gently twisting it, and it comes right out. I'm then going to zip tie the paint roller handle to the paintbrush handle. At first I thought maybe 3 zip ties, but then I realized 2 zip ties will be plenty. So I'm just going to snug them up tight, and then I'll cut off the excess. And the reason I'm doing this is to allow myself to do the cutting in high places around a 2-story house that I'm painting. You can see I simply screwed a broom handle into the paintbrush handle attachment, and it works great. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.